All those moments will be lost in time like tears in rain.
Hi there, my name is Mark. I'm a graphic designer and content creator falling in love with 80s retro cyberpunk, and it's time for some new stuff. In this video I'll explain how I achieved this piece of art. I would like to say thank you to all new subscribers. I hope that trailer, teaser, at least photo from new Spider-Man movie No Way Home is already on the web at the time when you're watching this video, because premiere of the movie will be on December this year and it's the end of May, so now it's the freaking time, don't you think? Anyway, I choose for my next graphic subject, of course, Spider-Man, but not Peter Parker. It's Miguel O'Hara, alternative version from the year 2099. I enjoyed playing his adventures in Cyberpunk Future in the video game Shattered Dimensions from 2010, and that post-credit scene in the movie Into the Spider-Verse was also a nice touch. This time I challenged myself to create artwork in the rain, using references from movie Blade Runner. I couldn't do it without help of tutorial by YouTube channel Photo Manipulation, so credits for him. I'll put the link to the video in the description down below, but you have to know that I did some things in a different way and I'll explain it later. If you're new on this channel, please click subscribe and that will make you to stay up to date with all my new videos and at the same time help me to grow this channel. Thank you very much. Now let's move forward. Here you can see all the images that I used, and links will be in the description down below as always. Also, you'll find there a PSD file to see layer by layer what I did to achieve this thing. Regarding of rain effect tutorial, I basically did everything like in that video of Photo Manipulations channel, step by step, but I had to do a few things different. First of all, my pattern with raindrops is much more crowded to match it with the weather on the picture. Second, I did more layers with flying raindrops to intensify the effect, because this rain is much stronger and it needs to stand out more, as you can see here. And the third, I changed some options in settings, some minor adjustments like bevel or opacity that you can check in the PSD file. Okay, that's it, I'll be quiet for now, enjoy the speed art. And that's it, a final piece. I'm happy and satisfied with it because I see the progress. I'm always trying to level up my graphic skills. I would love to see Spider-Man 2099 on the big screen. Maybe a new Spider-Man movie, No Way Home. That would be amazing, don't you think? I hope that this material was helpful for you. Feel free to check out the rest of my content. Click subscribe, leave a like if you appreciate my work, and drop me a comment down below with your opinions or any suggestions. That will help me to deliver a better content every time. I appreciate you. Thanks for watching and stay tuned. Good night.